Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an iCloud on iPhone. All right, so first up, I do assume that you already have an iCloud account. So if you don't have one, you can easily set up one from going to App Store right here. It will just ask you to create an Apple account, okay? So if you do have or already have an Apple ID or account, so just go ahead and tap on Settings. There you go. And as you can see here, it says Apple account at the very top. So what you'll do is just tap on this option or section. Now, if you do have any other Apple devices, you can go ahead and use this option. Use another Apple device. If not, you can just basically sign in manually. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on that option. And by the way, I'm going to go ahead and go back. If you don't have an Apple account, you can easily create one from here. Okay, so give me a moment. I'm going to go ahead and sign in using my email. And then once that's done, hit on continue, and it will now require you for some password. So go ahead and type down your password. As you can see here, this one is the keyboard. You won't be able to see it because I'm just mirroring. Okay, so go ahead and type down your password. And then once that's done, there will be a done button right here at the very bottom or at the bottom right. Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and a verification code will be needed. It says here a message with a verification code has been sent to your other devices running iOS 10 or macOS. If you don't have it, okay, just tap on didn't get a code. You cannot get to other iPhone. Okay, but if you have it, just follow simple prompts, and after that, you're good to go. So as you can see here, my phone is trying to sign me in. So all I got to do next is just go ahead and enter my iPhone passcode. Yours may be different. You may be able to set it up if this is your first time. So mine right here basically is that I've changed the Apple account on my phone right here. So that's why it now asks me for a passcode. All right. And that's basically it. You just wait for everything right here to sync, and after that, you're good to go. That is how you set up an iCloud on your iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.